Well, good morning. Welcome to my channel. And again, this is your loving teacher Vinish updating one more video. That is what we are continuing with the geopolitical regions in Asia and Africa. You know that it is a time for video classes, and we are not able to come for a face to face classes, and we were discussing a lot about different nations and different regions that is politically and geographically important for tourism, and it is quite big, and quite natural places, how the places are attracting the humans. And you know that now we were discussing about the most important places that is located in located in Asia and Africa. So geopolitical regions in Asia and Africa. So today's geopolitical region, that is Morocco. That is one of the important part in that is located near to Africa and Europe. Let us have a look. Let us see. This is the map of Morocco. See, this one is the Morocco. So you can see the map, and see how the location. See, let us. Yes, yes. This is the location. Yeah. So that one is most important nation in Africa, and it is very near to Spain. And you know that the Spain and Portugal, it is quite nowadays it is quite important at the see the issues that is connected with Corona and all things. The name of Spain that is appearing in the it's hitting the headlines. So these are the location. So that is just the northern part of Africa. That is the relevance. And let us go through the major details. So these are the, see, I already see, again I am repeating, it's already provided lots of notes that is helpful for your examination. Please go through the PDF note that is already provided and ask your doubt. So let us mine the data from the most favorite or most popular one, that is Wikipedia. Just go through the location. See, in globe where the Morocco is located, that light green and dark green, that is Morocco. So it is the part of what in the northern part in the globe, northern part of the Africa. And see, you know that the capital, that is Rabat. That is the latitude and longitude, it is already mentioned. So the capital, that is known as Rabat, and these are the details. Largest city, that is also mentioned in the that is that Casablanca. That is the largest city. Official language Arabic plus Berber, right? Spoken languages. See, these are the major major details. See, you can refer my notes that that provided with with lots of information. So these are the major geographical factors. How the place, it's also something like not a greeny place. It's something what desert type of climate. See, these are the climatic classification. So in geography, you know that the climatic classification is very important. So these are the types of climate experienced in that place. That is hot desert, cold desert, hot semi-arid, cold semi-arid, hot summer Mediterranean, warm summer Mediterranean, warm summer Mediterranean, and dry summer subarctic. So most of these places are experiencing something like related to arid and desertic climate. Okay, arid and desert climate. So that are the see, and you people heard about the Moroccan desert and all those things. See, it's a picture showing the landscape mode. You know that it is a desert and arid place. Okay, and let us and biodiversity. You know that it is not a greeny place. So the different flora and fauna. It is lacking the rich flora and fauna. And let us look some major. Let us go through some pictures. These are the pictures that is representing the Morocco city. See, these are all are connected with the Morocco city, and let us go through some other important locations in Morocco. So one, two, Fes, then Eurasia, Tangier, Rabat. So this one is the capital, Rabat. See, so please go through. Please go through the details. Please go through the details and see. You must ask your doubts. So these are the major places. See, these are the major places. See, these are the major places, and see, it is always it is always what it is always open to ask your doubts in that updating video sections and other other related other related online medium. And see, I always welcome your doubts, all kinds of doubts that is connected with this uh, with these topics. And we are ready to answer your question. And see, let us, it is time for wild up. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Signing off, Vinish.